Dear SSP aspirants, today you have the greatest opportunity to hear from the former Chief of Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Birendra Singh Dhanova, the mastermind of Balakot airstrike, having the most eventful tenure in armed forces and has been taking lot of effort to motivate the youth to join armed forces. Along with him, we are also inviting the former Deputy Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Halgali, perhaps the most powerful motivator for youth. And after that, none other than our own Major General VPS Bhakuni, who was the former President and Commandant of SSB Center South, who is passionate to motivate and energize the youth of nation to join armed forces, and he is with an ultimate aim to fill up the vacancies of Indian Armed Forces.
Note it down, it is not me who says, it's a Union Public Service Commission of India says armed forces is the most popular service. Out of 100 people who go for the SSB interview, 3.6% is the selection rate. 96 people will come back. Now why do they come back? That's the reason this academy is here. I realize that as a commandant, I personally took interest why the hell so many candidates fail among the best of the families. Army officer children failing, senior officer children failing very badly. Why? What is the reason? The reason is simply they lack the dream. They do not have the dream in their life. Dream is the first one, and the principle also mentioned. That is the first step. If you have a dream in life, yes, you are following some direction. And the dream has to be followed by passion. So, ladies and gentlemen, because half the people who go to the SSB, they do not know what is required of them. क्या जरूरत है उनको, क्या इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर देख रहा हूं मैं, क्या साइकोलॉजिस्ट देखता हूं मैं, क्या जीटीओ देख रहा हूं मैं, वो जाते हैं ओरिजिनल एंड कम बैक ओरिजिनल बिकॉज somebody has misguided them. You need to guide them. Which examination doesn't have a coaching today or a kind of guidance or mentoring? And let me tell you, I'm saying with authority this word, somehow some misconceptions are generally going around in the environment that SSB doesn't require any coaching. SSB requires the maximum one because it's entirely new field. That's the reason 60% of the people who come back from the SSB because they have no clue what is required of them. How the hell you expect them to get selected? So that's the reason, ladies and gentlemen, this academy.
Very well said by General Bhakuni. The role of this academy is not to make money. And seriously, there is no money in this. The role of this academy is to actually give back to the society. That is the aim. And we are going to do that.
It is a great pleasure for me to be here. There are enough people in the country who want to appear. But is it the right people who are appearing? Is it the people who are going to come and take the armed forces as a career? Like he said, it is about passion. Is it about stars in your eyes? Do you have stars in your eyes? But what I am trying to tell you, we don't question why. ये नहीं कहते हमारे पास ये नहीं है, हम सर how will we survive? आप हमें लड़ाई के लिए भेज रहे हो? नहीं. When MiG-21s were asked to do night strike in moon phase, MiG-21 सोवियट्स ने बनाया था इंटरसेप्ट करने के लिए बॉम्बर्स को. उसको आप स्ट्राइक रोल में यूज कर रहे हो, वो भी रात को यूज कर रहे हो, और वो भी पहाड़ों के बीच में. Because we said that no, we will do it. It is this spirit, that against all odds, we will perform what is required. That is why these countrymen put you in a pedestal and respect you a lot. It behoves upon us as members and veterans of the armed forces that we don't let them down. That is the biggest thing. Ifs and buts कभी नहीं होते. हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि how can we do it? तो SSB में क्या होता है? Can do attitude. Psychometric test. Can do. Does he have a can do attitude? Or will he come out with excuses? ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, ना. So that is the biggest difference between us and the other selection process, in which though you are interviewed, but you are not thrown out in the interview. Yes, instead of getting the premier service, you will get one of the lower services if you don't perform very well in the interview. But in our case, it's a gate. If you don't clear that gate, you will not get anything. And why is that gate maintained? Because We are the last line of defense and we cannot afford to fail. It builds the aptitude, like what the general has said. It is not the question of isko kaise answer dena, nahi. How you change your aptitude. Despite all odds, how do I come out with a solution? That yes, how will I be able to do it? Passing out of this place, most importantly, with stars in their eyes. Okay, thank you and Jai Hind.
You're all primed, motivated, spirited, with one clear mission in mind, that both the batches together are going to break the perceived record of sending the maximum number of candidates, boys and girls, from the Sure Shot Academy into the National Defence Academy, the Indian Military Academy. So I'm very conscious that you are all fully primed, and I thought it opportune today to speak to you on a couple of important issues. The first of them, I think that you are all blessed. India is one of the historically a very, very pristine and a beautiful country in the world. Our history goes back to 5,000 years. We have done exceptionally well in technology, in trade, in commerce, in human resource development, and entire other faculties of agriculture, industry, town development, urban management, water supplies, all that. So we are proud that we are born as young children, future leaders of modern India, to create that niche and say, we are the future leaders of India. This academy tells you that of all the services in this nation, one service that determines your value of life, and that is the armed forces, the Army, Navy and the Air Force. Because this service, this profession is probably, in my own view, the only priceless organization that gives you the greatest of joy as a human being. Because that facet of human joy is bounded not by your wealth, by your property, by your money, by your artificial artifices, but it is formulated by the values that you enshrine. How much of a belief, aspiration, how much of a motivation, how much of a character that you generate within yourself, that is what the armed forces demands of you. So when you step up into your career, you will find joy is not by the weight of your purse, but it is bounded by the boundaries of your thinking. I will only surge upon you and motivate you to tell you that you are today in the best institution of our country. Here the faculty is outstanding and they will guide you exactly on the lines of what leadership demands upon each one of you. Passing examination, not passing examination is a different subject altogether. But if you are content within your own self, and if you are happy that you are becoming a better human being every day, every moment, every class, then you got to tell yourself that I have not gone to learn anything. That is what I keep telling the Commandant, that it is not that the students are coming here to learn, it is the students are coming here, each one of you, to interact amongst yourself, to grow amongst yourself. You will learn amongst yourself. And those facets of cumulatively growing and rising like a meteor, a fountainhead on the surface of the earth, is probably the greatest ideal of every student. So I would like you to dream big. I'd appreciate to think that you are now aspiring into the right vocation, into the right job that you're looking at, into the right arena that you're going to jump into, because the armed forces gives you the finest that a human being can ever get.
Thank you very much. It's because of you. Our online written classes, online personality development and online SSB classes are a huge success. We are really grateful to you. The way SSB Sure Shot
Academy is now empowered to help you more, to create far better courses than you can even think of. We, encouraged by this, are going to bring you virtually every written examination online course. Whether it is FCAT, NDA, INET or CDS, these are already on. Boys and girls, please make use of that. Can you see the feedback of our previous courses? It is amazing. It really encourages us. And besides that, let me tell you, to face the SSB, you need to have SSB online course, which is 5 days course, which is personally taken by me. It's an amazing course and I call it a compulsory course. Boys and girls, if you really want to succeed, there are 2 courses which you must attend. 5 days online SSB course and 4 days personality development course. Can you believe one of the rating agency has graded us, adjusted us as the #1 online academy in the country as far as armed forces and paramilitary forces are concerned? We are #1 today. It's because of you. Boys and girls, I know these are very hard times and complete lockdown period, and that's the reason to help you we have reduced the fee to 50%, virtually 50% in almost all the courses. You know, in the times of need, in the adverse times, like the eagle, which is our logo, you got to fly higher, higher than the storm, and you are going to be the leader. And let me tell you, with our help, together we can ensure that these hardships are faced boldly and you come out of it and you are able to develop the personality which is really required to crack SSB. Not only SSB, you are going to be a success in life. Some of you which have some doubts in their mind, I conduct the online interviews which will completely diagnose your personality, which will virtually x-ray your personality and also the blind spots which you really can't see. The same thing is done by the interview and also by my psychological test. So boys and girls, what are you waiting for? Here is an opportunity. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for all the future updates. If you're new to this channel, then do check out our other videos as well. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram.